I'm understanding Simon State right now.
Okay.
That's what G said. What G said?
Okay.
Somebody else made that point too.
When he get back on the phone?
Somebody else made that point.
Say that to him.
Yeah. And then
step away, you say that.
Yeah. Somebody else made that point as well.
We'll see how I feel about that. If we could do it separate, we ain't not on the phone. Yeah. Interfere. But I am just a part of this. I'm just in my life. What happened? Now y'all hear what's going on. Let's see what's going on.
DeKalb County.
One more time for you. And that's where we at with it. That's where y'all got us. So anybody doing interviews, calling for interviews, we're gonna be setting things up for a minute.
Interviews, news stations,
podcasts,
whatever, anything.
Flyers, videos.
Because
it's the time right now.
Whether or not people want to make this a centralized event, this is to show that at a moment's notice, because of white supremacy, the black woman can devalue and disrespect the black man whenever she feels like it. And this is only acceptable right now, like I said earlier, until it's your brother, until it's your cousin, until it's your father, until it's your uncle, until it's your friend, until it's somebody that's near and dear in your life. Maybe you'll change the narrative and treat this situation differently.